In this video, we'll walk you through how to connect Landbot with Make, a tool that lets you automate workflows and link Landbot to a wide variety of apps using a simple, no-code interface. Make is particularly helpful for simplifying what would be complex integrations in Landbot, thanks to its catalog of native integrations. Here's how we'll break it down. First, I'll demonstrate how to set up the Landbot to Make connection, and then we'll go through some real-world examples for both web and WhatsApp chatbots, so you can see what's possible when using Make with Landbot. So let's get started with the connection setup. To do this, we'll be using the Webhook feature in the Landbot builder. Webhooks are a way for different web applications to communicate and share real-time data or updates. Imagine you have a doorbell at your house. When someone presses the doorbell button, it sends a signal alerting you that someone is at the door. You don't have to keep peeking out of the window to see if anyone's there. The doorbell lets you know automatically. Webhooks are like that doorbell. They help one computer program let another one know that something has happened without needing to be checked constantly. So, in the builder for the webhook, start by selecting the method and URL. Choose Post as the method since we'll be sending information from Landbot to Make. To get the URL, go to Make and create a scenario. Then add a custom webhook module and select Add a new hook. Give the hook a name. Save it, and a URL will be generated. Copy this URL and paste it into the webhook block in Landbot. Next, set up the parameters to be sent. For this example, let's send the name, email, and phone number. Make sure each block in the flow has a corresponding field saved. If you're sending a large amount of data, use the Customize Body section in the Webhook block to keep things organized. Once your parameters are configured, you can test the webhook with sample values. Enter a test name, email, and phone number, and click Test Request. If everything's working, you should see a 200 status code indicating success. Now, in Make, run the module once and test the connection again in Landbot. You'll see that fields appear in Make. Great, it's that simple. Now, you can use this data within Make and connect it with all the integrations that Make offers, which as you can see is a ton. Now, this leads us to the next part, some real-world use cases. Our first example is sending lead information to a CRM via Make. For instance, if a lead interacts with your chatbot on a website, the chatbot could ask qualifying questions like budget, company size, and service interest. Once the lead is qualified, this information is sent to a CRM like Soho or Microsoft Dynamics, for example, that we know are complex to integrate directly in Landbot. The integration creates a new record and could even assign a follow-up task to a sales rep. Another example is adding AI capabilities to your chatbot. With Make's OpenAI integration, you can, for example, analyze customer feedback for sentiment. So, if users submit feedback through your WhatsApp or web chatbot, this feedback can be sent to OpenAI's ChatGPT in Make, which identifies if the sentiment is positive or negative. The result is sent back to Landbot in real time, allowing the chatbot to respond dynamically, whether with a thank you message or a follow-up question with more information on negative feedback. This real-time sentiment analysis improves user experience and allows immediate action based on feedback. For our final example, let's say you're running Facebook lead ads and want new leads to subscribe to your WhatsApp business number automatically. This way, you can engage them over time with valuable insights, guiding them towards becoming customers. To do this, you'll need a WhatsApp business number with Landbot. Set up an opt-in form in the WhatsApp business section in Landbot. You can select a message template to be sent once they subscribe. Save and copy the URL. In Make, use an HTTP request module. Add the opt-in URL, adding the phone variable. Select Post as the method and include the necessary headers. And that's it. Now, remember, you need to leave the scenario running in Make in order for it to work. If you'd like a deeper dive into any of these use cases or need help with a different one, please reach out to us and let us know. We're here to help. So, to recap, first we covered how to connect Landbot with Make via the Webhook block, and then explored some powerful real-world use cases where the integration really makes an impact. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.